Hey guys, this is Ghost, and today I'm doing a box opener for my PS5. I got a PS4, and I got an Xbox Series X. I already opened it a little bit just to get it started, so, you know, I'm not struggling with this box opening. There you go, first wire. And here's the PlayStation controller. Look at that beauty. So beautiful. And there's the instructions. This is pulled right out. There goes the stand for the PS5. Beautiful. PC on my cable, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Oh, get my Spider-Man too, because I like Spider-Man. You guys ready to see this beautiful system? And no, I'm not an Xbox fanboy. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that beautiful machine. So sexy, right? I'm gonna call this Wolf. So that was today's box opening. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and maybe we'll get more.